Hello po mga kananay, welcome to my videos. Ayan, galing kaming Dalarama. Paboritong bilihan nga ang dalawang kulit.
We're in a shopping spree.
Ayan. Kaya naman ay uwi na kami.
It's spicy sweet gum. Which one?
Kumakain na naman sila ng candy at chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Ah, chocolate pala.
No, you could call it that. That's a chocolate nut. A chocolate nut. I'm allergic to nuts. Can I eat the TV? Guess what name is this? A. I'm thinking in my brain. A. A game? No. Flag? No. That's a flag. Afghanistan? No. Albania? That's Albania. Next. B. L. L. Laos? No. Liberia? No. You don't know? That's only two. I would tell you what's that. Latvia. No, I would tell you. It's called Lithuania. Hey, Lithuania! That's not even a country. P. What? B. No, P. 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 B. P. Okay. Philippines? Yes. It's only named the Philippines. You can't call it Philippines. You just call it the Philippines. No, it's island of Fiji. Well, if the Philippines changed in 2027, Philippines changed their flag and name. And then Philippines changed its name and flag. And its name was called the Filipino Islands. What the Philippines changed the names to the Filipino Islands. It's gonna change. Maybe it's gonna change this one, but it'll change. Maybe it'll change if you're 10.
Yes.
It might become pair. It might become Asian or Philippines of the Philippines, or it's. I guess why depends. Depends. Which color you want me? I think I can make a flower, but I don't have brown. Afghanistan is white and black. I don't have brown for the dirt. Yeah, you should make it something. Well, thank God we still have yellow for the team. Okay, I'm gonna start. But sadly, we do not have any glue. Yeah. anything. If you make it lower, means you can't grab anything. See, you can pick up it. Do you want to make it longer? I know what change color. The island. Hey, yo! I guess what color is this? Hey, yo! I got the whole thing. What's the island of Fiji? Fiji will change their name to Islands of Fiji. What is that? Because I'm gonna make some. Islands of Fiji. I am in the bath. No way to the basket. And see ya. I'm coming in. Oceloa. Here's Delaware. Reese, you understand what you're making? I'm making a rubber band. Making a rubber band and like a stake. I'm the island of Fiji.
Hello po mga kananayan, nandito na kami sa bahay. Thank you for watching. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow, pa-follow naman. Bye!